Manus AI versus ChatGPT. Which AI is more powerful? Choosing between Manus AI and ChatGPT is a question that comes up increasingly often as AI tools become more capable and more specialized in what they are designed to do. Both platforms represent genuinely impressive achievements in artificial intelligence, but they are built around different core ideas about what power in an AI actually means. Manus AI is an autonomous agent platform built to execute complex tasks independently, while ChatGPT is a conversational AI powerhouse built for broad general-purpose assistance across writing, coding, research, and creative work. This comparison breaks down how each platform performs so you can decide which one is actually more powerful for your specific use case. Manus AI is an autonomous AI agent that operates independently to complete multi-step tasks without requiring the user to guide each step of the process. It can browse the web, write and execute code, manage files, conduct research, and deliver finished outputs rather than just answers, which sets it apart from most conversational AI tools. This agentic approach makes Manus genuinely powerful for users who want to delegate workflows and receive completed results, particularly for research-intensive or process-heavy tasks. The trade-off is that Manus is more narrowly focused on task execution and may not match conversational AI platforms in breadth of general knowledge or creative flexibility. Manus AI is best suited for professionals and researchers who want an AI that operates autonomously and delivers completed work across complex multi-step processes. ChatGPT is developed by OpenAI and has become one of the most widely used AI platforms in the world, offering a broad and capable general-purpose assistant experience across virtually every domain. It handles creative writing, coding, mathematical reasoning, research summarization, language translation, image generation, and much more within a single unified interface. Its GPT-4 powered models bring strong reasoning and instruction following capabilities, and its extensive plugin and tool ecosystem extends what users can accomplish through the platform. ChatGPT's breadth and versatility make it one of the most flexible AI tools available, capable of shifting between tasks and adapting to a wide range of user needs within a single conversation. ChatGPT is best suited for individuals, students, professionals, and businesses who need a versatile and capable AI assistant across a wide range of everyday and specialized tasks. Feature comparison. Manus AI and ChatGPT define power differently and excel in different areas as a result. Manus is more powerful when it comes to autonomous task execution and delivering finished results without user intervention. ChatGPT is more powerful when it comes to breadth, versatility, and the ability to handle virtually any task a user brings to it within a single conversation. The most powerful platform for you depends entirely on whether you need autonomous execution or broad general-purpose capability. Final thoughts. If power means the ability to delegate complex workflows and have an AI complete them independently from start to finish, Manus AI is one of the most capable tools available for that specific purpose. If power means versatility, breadth, and the ability to assist with virtually anything across writing, coding, research, and creative work, ChatGPT remains one of the most capable and widely supported AI platforms in the world. The right choice depends on what kind of power matters most to how you actually work,